from my midline. Okay, so we'll write that on the board after. This, if I want to, if my bill on a check or whatever it is $9.99. It's approximately $10. So it's closer to $10. So closer to the point of origin on a muscle. So there's two parts on a muscle. Closer to the point of origin and closer to the body technically is proximal. So it sounds like approximate. And if it's farther away, it's just distant. So one more time. Proximal, distal, medial, lateral, superior, inferior, cranial, caudal. What else? Coronal, caudal. In the front, ventral, in the back, dorsal, in the front again, anterior, in the back, posterior. Very good. Those are directional terms. There's a few more that I want you to know. Here's an easy one. Ladies, you know you like hot guys. Well, you're probably superficial. But no. Actually, it's guys, right? Guys, you like hot ladies. So you're superficial. Women tend to be deep. Superficial is on the top. Deep is the layer underneath it. Okay, so let's go back. So we have medial, lateral. Proximal is just closer to the point of origin. Distal is farther away. Proximal, distal, anterior, posterior, ventral, dorsal, cranial, caudal, superior, inferior, right? Superior, inferior. And you guys can slow down on this. So we basically got most of this, and I said superficial and deep. Relationships for women, we like them deep. Relationships for men, maybe superficial. I don't know. Your choice. Okay, planes and directions. We did directions. Now let's do planes. And why do we care about this? Well, if you're doing imaging, you want to know what direction you're taking the image and the cut from. So am I taking it across the body? Am I dividing the body in half? Or am I taking it from the front? So there's just three. The one that divides the body into right and left halves is straight down the middle. It's just called sagittal. Straight down the middle is sagittal. So one more time, straight down the middle is sagittal. Okay, it divides the body into right and left. What about across? Oh, didn't I just make a T? Doesn't that look like a T? So across is transverse. It divides the body into upper and lower portions, top and bottom. And then the last one, we can't really see, but if I was to cut the body into front and back, couple of terms, you can just say frontal. So these are planes of the body and they cross the body. So frontal is also known as coronal plane. So you guys can look through that.